Hi guys, welcome back to Cheesy Techie video. Today I got something different. I got a Huawei Band 4 Pro smartwatch. So the reason why I buy this watch because this Xiaomi Band 3, yeah, it doesn't work really, and vibration it doesn't work. So I bought this a Huawei Band 4 Pro. Okay, see, so they have some features there. They have stylish watch faces, workout guide, built-in GPS. Then I don't know what the heck they just wrote some languages. I don't know what is it. And the bag has some features on this watch. It has stylish watch faces, workout guide, built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring. It is same as the Xiaomi one. Then it has sleep tracking, 11 workout modes, 50-meter water resistant, and a whole bunch of regulations made by Huawei. And this is sorry, here's for the QR code for the Huawei Health app. So let's unbox this and see what is inside. Okay, let's unbox this. So I bought this around $38, 38 Sing dollars. And this one it costs $39.90, almost $40 at the Xiaomi store in Singapore. Okay, let me just bring down it. Hey, it's some like an Apple style. It looks similar to the Apple style. Inside has a documentation. And what is this inside? Come on. Oh, warranty card. Think I'm not gonna read it for God's sake. Then the quick start guide. Yeah, that's a nice. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so here's the watch itself. It's in a bubble wrapped shape thingy. So here's the watch itself. Then here is the serial code, a bunch of model numbers. Then bottom is the charger. So I think this one is the most easiest one to charge my Huawei watch, as the Xiaomi is pretty tedious. You need to like take out the band. You just like take out the band, then you take this thing, then you connect to the contact point. Then this one, the USB port, you just connect to the electrical outlet. But sometimes it will charge, sometimes it won't charge. As this one, yeah, it's pretty stupid. It doesn't recognize properly, and it always fails to like charge properly, you know, and I didn't refuse to charge. So this one's the best one. This is the best watch charger. It's pretty easy for me. Oops. And then you just slot in. I think this one not gonna remove the screen protector. Then you just take some electrical source. Are you gonna use power bank? Sorry. Okay. Okay. It's alright. Okay, English. Please install Huawei Health on your phone and add the device. More. Okay, back. Okay, I'm going to install a Huawei Health app on my phone, so please excuse for this. Okay, so I am going to uninstall Xiaomi Fit app, and let me see any junk. So for those who don't know, I use the Xiaomi Band 4 watch for 2 years already. I bought this back in 2018 and it lasts me like around like 2 to 3 years. So right, I am going to remove this account. Then I going to settle my Huawei Health app. So yeah, agree, whatever, and a whole heaps of junk. Well, I need my Huawei ID, so I don't know. So I'm just settle my stupid Huawei ID app. I mean, some I don't know. So yeah, let me settle. Okay, after I install a bunch of some kind of updates. Now it's working! Yay! See? Can do a heart rate, workout, some stupid things, yeah. How to go out, how to get out. Oh yeah, they put in Chinese. Okay, messages. How you get out? Okay, nice. Then your bunch of things, brightness, whatever. Yeah, you can do all the things that you can do in this Huawei watch. Well, this one is more, for me Huawei is the most capable one than the Xiaomi one, because the Xiaomi one is more like a more trashy type of watch, and because I need like the good functionality of a smartwatch. This one, if you want a cheaper, if you don't like the color type, just you can buy this Mi Band 3. It's still in production, and this Huawei one is the best one. Okay, let's feel with the very sexy peeling. Ah, so nice. Hope you like this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I see you guys next time.